There are many benefits of coffee, but today we have discussed only 7 benefits. Hello, I am nutritionist and a fitness expert, Mewish Amer, and today I'm back with another topic. This one centers on how to make black coffee for weight loss. For more information on weight loss subjects, contact our WhatsApp and schedule an appointment now. Now, let's get into the topic. Before this, if you haven't fitness just Creat subscribe to channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon next to it. Number 1. The benefits of coffee range far beyond those associated with weight loss. This divine beverage not only tastes delicious, but it's a hub for many important and nourishing nutrients. It also comes in the form of so many different blends and tastes. Some of its benefits include the following. Number 2. Coffee helps boost your physical performance levels. This first one we've already covered. Because of its caffeine content, coffee serves as a boosting agent that increases brain and spine function and helps you perform on your optimum levels. Number 3. Coffee may be linked to a lower risk of type 2 diabetes. Some research suggests that drinking coffee, in the long run, can help you avoid developing type 2 diabetes. This might be owed to coffee's ability to preserve the function of beta cells present in your pancreas that are responsible for insulin production for blood sugar regulation. Number 4. It is rich in antioxidants. This fact can help coffee affect insulin sensitivity and inflammation in your body as well as boost metabolism. These antioxidants can also help your body fight diseases and sustain long-term health. Number 5. Supports brain health. Some research has suggested that coffee can help your body fight against certain neurodegenerative disorders such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease. Additionally, several other studies have also highlighted that coffee consumption in moderation can lower the risk of cognitive decline and demon. Number 6. May support heart health. Some studies suggest that drinking moderate amounts of coffee over the long run can reduce the risk of heart disease and may also lower that of stroke and heart failure. However, coffee's effects on blood pressure need to be monitored simultaneously. Number 7. Can protect against liver problems. Research conducted has also hinted that coffee may have a hand to play in liver health and longevity. It lowers the rate of liver cancer and scarring as well as that of chronic liver disease. Additional research suggests that it may also be associated with decreased liver stiffness. Weight loss transformation with me and begin the journey. If you like this video, please hit the like button, comment below. If you have any query regarding any of the meal recipes or food choices, and I'll be more than happy to assist you with. Check out my Instagram where I post what I eat in a day every single day, and time contact fitnessjustcreat@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number and we can start your transformations as well. I'll see you in my next one. Till then, stay healthy and stay fit always. Bye bye and take care.